Hello, what's up guys? Here's Encryptos where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to place a long position using your BITMART app. So without wasting much time, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here's your BITMART app. So you click on futures right here. Once you click on futures, this is what you'll be seeing. So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel, and this is the signal that has been dropped. Direction long, which means buy. Crypto fair on 5 USDT. So let's go back to our BITMART app. If you're on your BITMART app and you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So right now, let's type in the crypto pair we are searching for. So this is the crypto pair, you tap on it. So let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our leverage. Leverage 1x to 3x leverage. Be a responsible trader by risking less than 1% of your capital per trade. So right now, let's go to our BITMART app to set our leverage. If you're on your BITMART app and you want to set your leverage, you tap right here. If it's on cross before, you change it to isolated, because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. So your leverage, you bring it down to 3x leverage. Always risk what you are comfortable losing. So you click on confirm once you're set with everything. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel. Our entry price zone: entry 1 risky, entry 2 moderate, entry 3 safer. So we'll be going with the entry 1, which is risky for the essence of this video, but you can always go with whichever entry you're comfortable with. So let's go back to our BITMART app. So right here, you type in the amount of BITMART you need. You need 50, 100%, whichever one, you just type in. Our take profit zone: always remember to set your take profit. Our take profit zone: take profit 1 safer, take profit 2 moderate, take profit 3 risky. So we'll be going with the take profit 1, which is safer for the essence of this video, but you can always go with whichever take profit you're comfortable with. Alright, if you're still watching this video, this is Encryptos where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out. Alright, our stop loss: always remember to set your stop loss, because that is your defensive zone, right? So our stop loss, so you go back to your BITMART app and set your stop loss. So once you're done with everything and everything is correct, you click on long. You click on this long right here. I'm not going to place any trade right now. I'm just showing you the way how to place a position using future derivatives trade signals that has been shared to you on our free Telegram channel. So once you're done with everything and you're comfortable with it, you click on this long right here. Once you click on this long, your position will be right here waiting. See, the price reach this market price, you place on this trade, then it will trigger. Alright, this is how to place a buy position using your BITMART app. Alright, this is how to place a buy position using your BITMART app. This is Encryptos where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so you get notified each time we post an important video like this. See you in the next video.